Hello children, how are you guys? Welcome back to the biology class. Children, in the last class in the last video we have studied something about the cell membrane. Okay, and um, one point which I missed to tell you is the structure of cell membrane will be just like a sandwich. Okay, it will be two layers of lipid and one layer of protein. Okay, see, in the case of sandwich, we'll be having two slices of bread, and in the center, any stuffing will be there. Maybe pudina chutney or kothmali chutney or jam or egg or peanut butter. Something will be there in the center. So it's very simple. It will be two layers of lipid. That is like two slices of bread and one layer of protein, which is in the center, like the stuffing in the center. This will be the exact structure of the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. Okay, and now let's move on to the next part of the cell. Okay, that is the cytoplasm. Okay, the cytoplasm, it is the part of the cell, okay, uh, which is present inside the cell membrane and outside the nuclear membrane. Okay, in between the nuclear membrane and the cell membrane, okay, there will be a jelly-like substance in which all the cell organelles are suspended. Okay, we have Golgi complex, we have lysosomes, we have ribosomes, we have endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, we have lot of organelles being suspended in the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like fluid and it is a living part. Okay, it is the living part. Mitochondria, like that, it is present. Okay, and what is the next part of the cell is the main part, namely the nucleus. Okay, nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. I remember telling you long back. Okay, Robert Hooke is a person who discovered cell, and Robert Brown is the person who discovered the nucleus. Okay, and he discovered the nucleus and named it as nucleon. Okay, then it is changed by his followers into nucleus. Okay, and it has an important component. Okay, that is the genes. Okay, we have nucleus. Inside nucleus, we have nucleolus. Okay, we have nucleoplasm being surrounding the nucleus. Okay, which is present inside the nucleus, and we have children, a thread-like structure which is called as chromatin reticulum. Okay, that thread-like structure are nothing but the chromosomes. Okay, you'll be studying in your higher class something called as cell division, namely meiotic cell division and mitotic cell division and all. Okay, after that you'll be able to find an exact structure of chromosome. Okay, that chromosome is nothing but the chromatin reticulum, which is present inside the nucleus. Okay, and this nucleus is covered by a double layered membrane, namely nuclear membrane. Okay, it is covered by a double layer membrane, namely a nuclear membrane. Okay, and the nuclear membrane has pore. Okay, and through that pore, okay, it gets connected with the cell membrane. Okay, we have something called as endoplasmic reticulum. We'll be reading about it in our future class. Okay, and this endoplasmic reticulum, it connects the nuclear membrane with that of the cell membrane. Okay, and what is there in the chromosome? Okay, we have our genes in the chromosome. Okay, genes are nothing but the heredity material. Okay, it's very simple. It is a vehicle, okay, which carries the genetic information from one person or from one generation to another generation is the gene. Okay, we have human being, we have around 46 chromosome. Among that, 44 chromosome determines our body characters, and the last two chromosomes determines the sex of the individual. Okay, 45th and the 46th chromosome. Okay, and this chromosome, it has the important part, namely the gene. Gene is nothing but the genetic vehicle which carries the uh, information from the parent to the child. Okay, for example, if the mother is having blue eye, the child also will be having blue eye. If the mother is having black hair, the child also will have black hair. The child will not have brown hair. Okay, if the mother is having sharp nose, the same way the child also will have this sharp nose. If the father is having, tuft of hair is on his hair, the child, if it is a baby child, he'll be having tuft of hair on his ears. Okay, so we have lot of characters which is being passed from one generation to another generation. That will be because of the gene, and that gene is nothing but it is present inside the chromosome. Okay, and where this chromosome is present? Chromosome is present inside the nucleus. Okay, and inside the nucleus we have a jelly-like substance, namely the nucleoplasm. Okay, their cytoplasm, and here it is nucleoplasm. Okay, easily, easily we can locate this nucleus and see under the microscope. Okay, when we focus the onion peel and all to see the cell, if you just keenly observe, you'll find an oval shaped body inside the cell. That's nothing but the nucleus. Is that clear, children? Is that clear? See, in this class, we have discussed about only two things. One, it is the cytoplasm, that is the jelly-like substance which is present inside the cell, where all the cell organelles are suspended. Okay, and the next one is the nucleus, which is covered by a double layer nuclear membrane, and the nucleoplasm, it is the liquid part of the nucleus where the chromatin reticulum is present. Okay, and after cell division, it give rise to the chromosome. Chromosome contains gene. Okay, gene act as the genetic vehicle which carries the information from one generation to the other generation. Is that clear, children? Okay, take care. Bye.